Here at Sheila Cohoon, Software Skills for Agents. I wanted to take a quick moment and show you how to do an image that is at the bottom of your videos while it plays the whole time. So it's kind of like a branding thing that'll be at the bottom of your videos, and you can upload it into WeVideo, which is what I use. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that right now. You're going to come in here to Canva, and if you have not used Canva before or WeVideo, check the description below for my affiliate links and go ahead and sign up that way. But anyways, you're going to start by going into Create a Design off here to the right. You're going to click on Video because that's what we're going to, that's the image size that we're going to create, is something that goes in line with videos. So we have our blank canvas here. What we're going to do now is we're going to create an image that has our branding on it. So I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to click on Element, and I'm going to put a rectangle down here at the bottom. So make sure that you have your branding colors already set up in Canva, and that video is going to be a different video in my YouTube platform. So go ahead and find that one. I may try to link it here, but anyways, let's go ahead and create that branding. So down here at the bottom, you're going to create a rectangle like we did here. And in our rectangle, we're going to put our branding information. And our branding information should be our name, and it should be our phone number, and our email address, and our website if you want. Now, in order to make this left justified, you're going to come up here to the top and you're going to click on alignment, which should be between this uppercase and the bullets. So you're going to make it left. So you're just going to click it once and make it left. If you wanted to make it right justified, you're going to click this alignment icon until you see all the text is to the right. So we want ours to be left. And then we're going to want to shrink it down because obviously we want it to fit inside of our rectangle. The next thing that you're going to notice is if it's already black and you have a darker background, you're not going to want to leave it black. When you are doing any type of graphics design, you're always going to want your text opposite of what your background is. So if your background is dark, you're going to want your text white or a lighter color. If your background is lighter, you're going to want your text black. Just a small graphics design tip. So I have my information here. Now, if I wanted to shrink my information just a little bit, the space between the lines, I come up here to where this up and down arrow is, and I'm going to change the line height. And I'm just going to decrease that line height just a little bit. Okay, so just a tip there, Canva tip that you can use. Now I want to add my picture to it, so I'm going to come in here let's go down to my branded pictures. So I'm going to come into folders, but if you haven't uploaded yours yet, go into uploads and upload your picture. Mine are already in there, so I'm going to go ahead and put one in. Now I have several to choose from. I use this one mostly, but I'm going to go ahead and show you something that Canva does real quick. So there's this one that has the background in it, and I could use it like this, but I choose not to. I want to take out the background, which is something that Canva does. So I'm going to click on effects up here. After I have my image selected, I'm going to click effects, and the first thing I'm going to do is click on background remover. And then we're going to watch the magic happen, and it's going to take the background out of my picture. Now you can utilize this for all kinds of pictures from Canva, pictures you upload, and so as you see, you can remove the background. Now, this may only be for the paid version, so just make sure you check that out first. And as you see, I've cropped it a bit on the side, so I shrunk it down a little bit as well. So I'm just going to move that down here to the bottom. And if this is going to play on top of a video that you're making, you obviously don't want your image to be like that, because it's going to play over your video. So what you're going to want to do is kind of make your image as small as possible, and then put your text here. And then you're also going to want to add in your logo. So I have it in my branding information. So I'm going to come here to logos, and I'm going to put in the white logo. And why am I putting in the white logo? The same reason I put in my text as white. So because it's got a background that is dark. Okay. So just like that, you see I have my EXP logo, so I'm good there. And depending on what other information is required for advertising, you can put your brokerage phone number or your brokerage email down here. Address down here at the bottom. But you should be good to go now. The last thing that you're going to do is make this a green area back here. So you're going to click on your canvas, and it highlights the entire canvas, and you see that by this turquoise box. Then you're going to come up here to this color, background color, and you're going to come up, down here to this green. Okay. What this does is it adds in a green screen effect to your image. Okay. So we have this here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to save it. So you're going to come here. You're going to change it to PNG, because we don't want it as a video. We want it as a PNG. And we're going to download it. Okay, so now we've downloaded it. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to upload it and change it into WeVideo. So take a look at that next video.